Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn how to building real-time notification system with AWS Lambda and SNS. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we need to understand why we use AWS Lambda and SNS, right? So AWS Lambda is a serverless computing services that allows you to run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers, and this make it ideal for handling event-driven notification. And Amazon SNS is a fully managed messaging services that enables you to send notification to multiple subscribes, email address, phone numbers, or other AWS services in highly scalable and cost-effective manner. Okay, and the combining these two services, you can build a system that triggers Lambda function to provide events and send notification to various endpoints through the SNS. So that's why we are going to use Lambda and SNS. Okay. So let's start to building real-time notification system with AWS Lambda and SNS. Okay. So first of all, we need to create a SNS topic. Okay. So the first step is building our notification, right? System to create SNS topic, as SNS topic is logical access point that allows publishers to send messages which are then delivered to all subscribers. Okay, so let's go to the AWS account. So this is my AWS account. As you can see, I'm going to search SNS. As you can see, simple notification service. So let's open. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a resources for AP South Fund is a zero topics. So click on topics. As you can see, there is no any topic as of now. So let's click on create topic. So choose standard and enter your topic name. My topic name will be real-time notifications. Okay. And here this topic name is optional. If you want, then you can add. Okay, as you can see. Okay. Okay. Then the optional, right? So let's click on create topic. So as you can see, our topic is successfully created. You can see the topic real-time notification created successfully. And this is our ARN. Okay, that I'm going to copy because we will use later. And I'm going to store in my notepad. Okay, it's done. Okay. As you can see here, I mentioned after creating the topic, you will have ARN Amazon resource name for your topic. So which we will be used later when configuring Lambda. Okay, so that's why I'm going to store this in secure place. Now let's go to the next step. Now the next step is let's set up SNS subscriptions. Okay. So next you will need to subscribe endpoint to the SNS topic. This can be email address, SMS phone number, or AWS services like SQS or Lambda. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's scroll down here. As you can see, subscription 0. So let's click on create subscription. So first of all, as you can see, this is your ARN Amazon resource number, right? That's a default here by default. Okay, let's click on protocol. So here, as you can see, the options: Amazon SQS, AWS Lambda, email JSON, HTTPS, platform application points, SMS, and so on. So if you want to choose, then you can choose whatever you want. But here I'm going to choose email address. After that, you need to enter your email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address and now click on create subscription. As you can see, my subscription is successfully created. As you can see, status is pending confirmation. So wait for a few seconds. After that, it will successfully run. Okay. And ARN endpoint is my email address and topic name and subscription principles and protocol is email. If you want to choose SMS, otherwise you can, if you choose SMS, then you need to enter a number. Okay. Okay, it's done. So we have successfully set up our SNS subscription. Okay. Now let's go to the third step. Now the third step is let's create an AWS Lambda function. So how to create? So next you must create AWS Lambda function that trigger the notifications, and this Lambda function will receive an event. Okay. So and use it to send message to the SNS topics. Okay. So let's go to the navigate AWS Lambda dashboard. So let's search here Lambda and let's open a new tab. So as you can see, we are in AWS Lambda function. Now, as of now, there is no any function. That's why there is a like this getting started. Click on create function. If you want to confirmation, click on functions. As you can see, there is no any data to display. That's the meaning of this, because there is no any function as of now. Okay, click on create function. So let's create a function of Lambda. So let's check. First of all, let's choose author from scratch option. So let's choose author from scratch function. Then give the name like send real-time notification. So I'm going to enter a name, send real-time notification. Okay. Then choose Python 3.13, choose 8664 and click on create function. Check for once. Yes. Runtime Python, Node.js, whichever language. Yes. I'll choose Python, right? And as you can see, my send real-time notification function is successfully created. You can see, right? That's the lambda py dot lambda function dot py. Okay, that's the testing for hello from lambda. Okay, okay. Then after that, the next step is let's write a lambda code to trigger SNS. Okay. So in your lambda function, write the code that will be publish a message to your SNS topic. So here is an example in your Python using this. Go to 3 AWS SDK for Python. So here is this. Let's copy. And you can see this example, the Lambda function is triggered by an event which could come from any AWS services like this, DynamoDB, S3 or API gateway. Then the function retrieves the message from the event payload and sends to the SNS topic, which then pushes to these subscribers. Okay, so let's go to this code and here let's paste the code and let's check. As you can see here, first of all, the functions import, then SNS client, then dev message, subject real-time notification, and topic ARN. Here you need to enter your SNS topic ARN. So here, as you can see, I'm going to I have store here. But if you forget, then let's go to this SNS, and here go to this real-time notification, and here is your ARN. So let's copy from here also, and if you can see, the both are same, right? Okay, let's go to the lambda and here enter your function and check for once. Yeah, right. Now let's click on deploy. Deploying code. I can successfully update the function send real-time notification. Updated. Okay, it's done, right? Okay, it's done. Now, the next step is let's configure permission for Lambda and SNS. Okay. So to allow your Lambda function to publish your SNS topic, we need to attach the necessary IAM role. So in the Lambda dashboard, let's go to the configuration and permission. Okay, let's configure. So let's configuration and go to the permissions. You can see the role. So let's open it in new tab. And here we need to make some changes. As you can see, click on it and click on edit. So here I'm going to add some data. So here, so in this I am console. Here you can see expand the first permission and click on it, and let's paste the policy that role that allows publishing to SNS. Okay. So here enter comma, enter and paste it. And here you need to enter your SNS topic ARN. That is. So as you can see, let's check for once. As you can see, the error is removed. Check for once. You need to enter comma after that, right? Okay. And let's click on next. Then change it. Let's start. Okay. Now the next step is let's test your real-time notification system. Now it's time to test your real-time notification system. That's the last part of our topic. Now that everything is set up, let's time to test your notification system. So let's go to your Lambda function and click on test and configure the test event with the following JSON. So I'm going to copy my JSON and let's go to the Lambda function, go to the test and let's click on new event, synchronize event name. I'm going to enter test. It is private and the JSON is going to enter this JSON. This is a test notification on Lambda. Click on test. As you can see, executing function succeed. Send successfully. Let's go to this and check. So first of all, we need to accept this subscription, confirm subscription, right? Subscription confirm. And after that, we will receive this next one. As you can see, the next one is confirm subscription. And now I'm going to test for once because I forget to confirm the subscription. As you can see, the new one is right. You can see received 541 right now. You can see just now. Let's open it. As you can see, to me, that's the as you can see, that's the mail. This is the test notification from Lambda. I forget to tell you that first of all, when you enter your email address in this SNS, right, then you need to confirm the subscription. After that, you will have this page confirm subscribe, and after that, you will receive this notification, right? AWS notification. If you wish to stop and receive notification from the topic, please click on it. And if you click on this, you can see if you click on visit this link below to unsubscribe. If I click on this, as you can see, subscription removed has been deleted. That's it. Okay. So just remember one thing, when you create the subscription here, set up the subscription, then after that you will confirm the subscription by clicking the create. Sorry, you will confirm the subscription by clicking the create subscription in your email. Okay. I forget to tell you. That's it. It's done. So in this session, we have learned how to building real-time notification system with AWS Lambda and SNS. So thank you for watching and I hope you understand.